What's up, everyone? Today we're going to be reacting to Jam Rain, Cover and Blows, featuring Brandon Hart. Without further ado, let's get started. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, smash that like button.
Cause I've seen highs and I've seen lows, been down every damn broken road. I've sold hearts but never sold my soul.
Okay, I like Brandon Hart. He's really good. He's really good.
I probably got a place in hell, I know. Been up shit creek without a paddle. I'm still riding high in the saddle.
I like his voice too, by the way.
I'm playing life with the cards I chose. And that's the way that the cold
It was a hell of a place. I climbed up out of that bitch, Jam Maverick, cause I up and played a hand. And I ain't showing my weapon, concealing steady my wrist.
Okay, Jam Rain. I like this.
Be on ready for whatever, let me paint you a pic. So I'm revealing my temperament, bloody, broken, and dusty. I put that still in, I'm busting it, Killer Freeman, a rusty. Caught tryna fuck with a future, any kid with a shot. Mickey Jambo, man, on roof, baby, calling the shots. Chance and major paper, tear that bitch ass counselor kid. Got jammed up and switched on me, snitching out like a bitch. And I hit that free ride, pass by like, bye-bye, baby. That's hella hell on earth, that's why the look in my eyes crazy.
Highs and I've seen lows, been down every damn broken road. I've sold hearts and never sold my soul. I probably got a place in hell, I know. Been up shit creek without a paddle. I'm still riding high in the saddle. I'm playing life with the cards I chose. That's the way that the going blows.
There's Jam Rain, friend. I know who that is.
Between the blessings and curses, the hearses and deaths, lies, tears, my addiction, trying to deal with the stress. My last breath, screaming freedom, heaven soldier train, battling demons. Hell scheming and creeping, try to run up your leak. My people deep in this section, they prophesize with their weapons, allies in every direction, and family ties is a blessing. And I ain't flexing, I just let you know we be with the shit. No matter which way the wind blows, I hand on my beers.
I've seen highs and I've seen lows, been down every damn broken road. I've sold hearts and never sold my soul. I probably got a place in hell, I know. Been up shit creek without a paddle. I'm still riding high in the saddle. I'm playing life with the cards I chose. That's the way that the going blows.
Okay, I love that. I love that song. That was great. If you enjoyed it, guys, smash that like button, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.